Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: the server name, instance, and that you can reach the database from your machine. Once done, open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data Right Arrow SQL Server. Enter the server and database names, then select your authentication method. You do this now to establish a connection context so Power BI can enumerate tables and metadata. Make sure credentials match role permissions, otherwise you won't see or load the expected schema. Once Power BI connects, use the navigator to preview tables or supply a native SQL query for precise results. If data needs shaping, click Transform Data to open Power Query. Here you filter rows, change data types, split columns, and merge tables. Make sure to set appropriate privacy levels so queries don't combine sensitive sources unexpectedly. Also consider incremental refresh for large tables. Configure parameters and range to reduce load times and speed up development. Now decide load versus close and apply. Loading immediately populates the model, while applying lets you finalize transforms first. Once data is in Power BI service, set up an on-premises gateway for scheduled refresh if your SQL server is internal. Configure refresh frequency and credentials, then validate visuals and relationships. If a refresh fails, a common fix is verifying gateway connectivity and credential permissions. Re-entering credentials and testing the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.